Can you imagine that you can get paid $1,500 just by listening to your favorite music every day? I will show you how you can do that today. So, how to do it? This is how to earn $1,500 just by listening to music. I will teach you how you can earn from this. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and then you can start making money just by using your favorite browser regularly. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from, you will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video or new methods to make money online, you will be the first to know about the strategy, tips and tricks. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have any questions or opinions about the video, please do feel free to leave a comment down below so that whenever I see them, I can immediately answer. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 is to make sure that you have a PayPal account because you will need the account to receive your payments from these apps. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to their website and I will show you how to create a free account. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find their website that you need because I have left all of the links that you need in this video down below in the description. So feel free to click on the links down below. So here on the PayPal website, you will need to click on the button. It will then take you to the next page where you need to choose if you want to create a personal account or a business account. You will probably want to create a personal account. So go ahead and click on that. It will then send you to this page where you need to fill out all the required information. Then you will be able to log into your brand new PayPal account, which you can use to withdraw all your earnings from the free apps that will pay you to do nothing. Now, before I show you an application that will actually pay you $700, I want to show you 2 more apps. So in total, I will show you 3 different apps in today's video. You will just need to install the first 2 apps and you can leave them alone while they make you passive income for free. So you can concentrate on the last one from this video, which will allow you to earn $700 for free. So make sure you stay with me until the end of the video. Now let's make money. Step number 2 is to go to Money SMS. This is the first website that we will use in this video. And as you can see, we will install the app simply on the smartphone. So how does this work? This is the free app that will allow you to make money online simply by receiving SMSs generated by the system from this website and their customers. You just need to go to your smartphone and to download the app and you will start receiving random messages that will come from random phone numbers. You don't need to reply to those messages. You don't even need to read them. You can delete them as soon as you receive them because there is no value in those messages. But the most important thing is that you will get paid for those messages. So you just need to install the application, sign up for it, and you will start receiving new fresh messages every day and you will be paid for it. You can also refer a friend and get paid for it. This is a great app that will pay you for doing nothing. But keep an eye on the last app because it will be available on both the iOS and Android. Not like this one that is only available on Android phones. If you have an iPhone, you won't be able to make money online with this application because it is only available on Android phones. Because only Android allows third-party apps to send and receive messages. Now, when you scroll down, you can see some features that this application is offering. The most important part is security. So if you're getting any value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. The second app is the Cash Magnet. As you can see, you will again need to download the app on your smartphone, and again, this app works only on Android phones. But keep watching this video because the last app that I will show you will be available for both iOS and Android. You will get paid with this app every minute. You don't need to do anything after install this app because this app combines all the top programs that will pay you for free. This application will pay you a lot more than the first app that we looked at in this video. You will not need to do anything but to watch the ads or to play games, and you will be able to earn money. Money will come in passive mode. So you can sleep, work, eat your lunch, read the news, or do anything else, but this app will still pay you every minute. You just need to play some games on this app or watch some ads for 30 minutes per day, and you will be able to earn money online. Now, the last app that will pay you $600 is this app right here. You will be able to earn up to $600 simply by listening to music. You just need to download the app and install it on your phone. Now, this application is available on both iOS and Android phones, and it will pay you for only listening to music. The more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Also, you can just play the music on this app and leave it alone, and it will make you money. So you will earn money by doing nothing. Or you can simply listen to music that you already enjoy and you still make money by doing it. So guys, go ahead and install the apps and start making money online.